So, ito po yung contents natin. Beginning of InBody, yung background po natin, about us, technology, products and solutions, and business areas. So, the beginning of InBody. Next po. Paano nga po ba nagsimula si InBody? So, if familiar po tayo sa body mass index, body mass index falls short as an accurate obesity indicator because it only reflects the weight and height. Kung napansin niyo po kanina, hindi lang po weight at height ang sinukat ni InBody. Kasi po, ang body mass index, hindi po siya yung talagang buong picture ng katawan natin. Pinapakita niya lang po na sa atin kung tayo ba ay underweight, normal ba yung body weight, obese ba or overweight. But hindi po natin nakikita kung bakit tayo overweight, bakit tayo underweight. And then, ito na po, ang ating InBody na ma-measure niya po yung kabuuan ng ating katawan. Ayan po yung ating picture. Individuals with the same weight can have different body compositions. Meron po tayong 80 kilograms, pero mas mataas po yung level ng muscle niya at mas mababa yung body fat. Meron naman po tayong 80 kilograms na pantay po si muscle and body fat, which is the ideal po na result. And then there's this 80 kilogram body who has more body fat than the muscle. With the help of InBody po, nabibigyan po tayo ng insight and accurate measurement kung ano pong klaseng katawan yung meron tayo. Ano po talaga yung laman ng katawan natin. Ano po yung laman ng weight na pinapakita sa ating mga tests. So, is a low body fat percentage necessarily healthy? As the obesity paradox suggests, you need to look at your muscle mass to get a true picture of you, to get an accurate picture of your health. So the obesity paradox refers to a phenomenon in which certain obese patients may have a better prognosis in some specific conditions in spite of obesity known to increase the risk of developing cardiovascular and some other diseases. So hindi po porket obese tayo, ayun nga, yung kagaya po, yung minsan yung mga overweight, na mataas naman po yung muscles. So, hindi po sapat na yung body fat ay nakikita lang. Kailangan may measurement din po tayo ng muscles. And binibigay po yan ni InBody. And body water constitutes 50 to 70% of the body. And analyzing your body water can help us identify subtle inflammations, as well as prognosis of major diseases like kidney and heart conditions. Familiar po ba kayo sa mga may CKD or sakit sa kidney?
Yes.
Meron po di ba sila na kapag may sakit sa kidney, namamanas. May pamamanas po tayo. And with the help of InBody, na may measure po yung ating buong katawan for the total body water. And sa results po, maaaring may excess fluid, maaaring mababa yung fluid or yung body water. And that result can help the doctors see if we have kidney diseases or heart conditions. Kasi po pag may kidney disease, always po yan, mataas po yung may problem po sa kidney, mataas po yung level ng water. And kapag mababa po ang water or may dehydration, pagtingin niyo po yan sa mga test, sa mga body cam, mababa ang albumin. Kasi po, mababa ang water and dehydration. And, ayan, measuring the composition of muscle, fat, and water in your body is the first step to getting a better insight into your wellness. And InBody provides the most trusted body composition analyzers in the world. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo po. Yan. So, bakit po ba mahalaga ang InBody? May iba naman pong mga test, meron naman pong mga DEXA, may radiation naman. These are the limitations of traditional body composition measurement methods. Before po, si underwater weighing, ginagamit po siya para ma-measure yung ating total weight without the water weight. But, ilulubog po tayo sa ilalim ng tubig. Very uncomfortable. If regularly gagawin po yan, very uncomfortable and very mahal po si equipment. Next naman po, skin fold test. Ito po ginagamit para ma-measure si body fat. Ang ginagawa po dyan, gamit yung skin fold caliper, gagamitin po yung triceps natin or yung ating scapula. Then, ipipitch po siya. Then, ipipitch po siya nito skin fold test para po ma-measure si body fat. But, is it really accurate? Kasi po, yung pag-measure nito, kailangan pa po ng mga computations para makuha yun, para po makuha yung total body fat. It is not really accurate for us to measure using this. And then the DEXA. The DEXA measures the bone mineral content, soft tissue mass, and body fat mass. But we are at risk of radiation exposure. If palagi po tayong magme-measure ng ating mga body fat mass, ang ating mga tissue, ang ating mga muscle, using the radiation, what would happen to our body kung palagi po tayong na-expose sa radiation? Mas mapapadali ang buhay. Kaya po, lahat po yan, hindi na po natin yan kailangan. Kasi InBody already has these features in just one machine. So, ano pong gamit ni InBody? We use the bioelectrical impedance analysis. And the BIA devices overcame all the limitations of traditional body analysis methods. They began to be commercialized, but early devices of BIA were unable to measure body composition accurately because hindi po sila kagaya ng ating InBody machine. Before po, our traditional BIA devices measures the body as a whole. They treat the body as a cylinder. So, buong katawan, hindi po siya per segment. So, yung lumalabas po, hindi po siya ganun ka-accurate. And yung frequency po na dinideliver sa buong katawan ay isang frequency lamang. So, yung mas maliit na arms po natin, hindi po same sa frequency na dapat tumataan sa ating mouth. Next po. So, InBody was started as an innovation in PA technology that overcame all these limitations to make body composition measurement simple and accurate. So, in the 1990s, this is the founder po, si Dr. Cha po, CEO of InBody. He was a student of biomedical engineering at Harvard Medical School. And kaya po niya nakilala or nabuo si InBody kasi he came across this one paper about the BIA and nakita niyo po yung limitations. He found how to improve the BIA technology during that time. And dahil po doon, nabuo niya po yung hypothesis that by implementing direct segmental measurements and multi-frequency measurements to create body composition analyzer that can measure the torso, our arms and legs separately at different frequencies, you can combine both accurately and simplicity. So, ayun nga po, noon po, ang katawan isang buong cylindrical lang. But, Dr. Cha said and found that we need to measure our arms, trunks, and legs at a different frequency. Okay, so, from a small venture to pioneering the body composition market InBody envisions a world where the world can build a healthy future within body. So, from a humble beginning, now po, we are very widespread across the world. So, about us, so board of directors po natin, president is Mr. David Con, and our vice president, Sir Eric Con. Say hi, sir! And our head business advisor, Mr. Colin Lee. Hi, Sir Colin! And our general manager, Ms. Gloria Parr. So, ang office location po natin, nandito na po tayo sa Unit 2104 sa Prestige Tower. And the vision of InBody. InBody everywhere. To make a positive impact on health around the world. Hindi InBody everywhere para lang mataas ang sales. InBody everywhere para matulungan po ang mas maraming tao na maging mas healthy at mas mahaba pa ang buhay para mas mag-enjoy po tayong lahat. Kasi pag mas healthy, mas masaya. Then, ang mission po natin is easy and accurate. So, kitang-kita naman po natin, very easy lang po yung pagtetest natin. Ang bilis po ng test, sino po yung nagsabi na, ay, ang bilis pala ng test kanina, si Ma'am po ata. Kasi nagulat si Ma'am, ay, may result na agad. Kasi po, ang mission po talaga ni InBody is to provide easy and accurate measurements for all of us. Next one. So, we are the first mover in the global body composition field with innovative technology. Ayan po, humble beginning po tayo. Ayan po yung ating first commercial product and patuloy lang po tayong nag-i-improve. From this machine, yung prototype po, ngayon po, ang machines po natin, very sleek, very sexy, very clean, and very portable na po. Kasi before po, very heavy po talaga yung machines. And now po, kagaya po ng 970s natin, maganda na po kasi po patuloy lang po tayong nag-i-improve for the betterment of the world. And we are the global standard for body composition analyzer. Anybody familiar with NASA po?
Yes.
National Aeronautics Space and Administration, NASA. Tayo po ang standard ni NASA. Kailangan po ng ating mga astronaut bago ipadala sa Mars, bago ipadala sa labas ng mundo, nagtetest po. Pinagkakatiwalaan si InBody para i-test yung mga astronauts nila. Kasi kailangan po ng astronauts natin na sila po ay nasa optimal health nila. And by using InBody, nakikita po ng ating NASA kung sino po sa kanila ang very fit to be sent outside. And then, InBody is also featured in a leading international nutrition journal, the Advanced Sports Nutrition. So, lumalabas po siya sa mga libro ng ating mga estudyante, especially in the medical field, as the body composition analyzer. As a global enterprise, we manage 13 overseas subsidiaries and export our products to over 110 countries around the world. So, from Korea, meron po tayong overseas subsidiaries in USA, Mexico, Japan, Vietnam, Asia, Singapore, Oceania, China, India, UK, and Europe. And now, we are in the Philippines, the very first headquarters in the Philippines.
Yes.
You guys are our first network marketing company to ever be partnered with InBody Philippines. Ayan. So, education and consulting is InBody's unique approach to market expansion. Hindi lang po tayo benta-benta lang. Kasi po si InBody wants to help us know more about our body. That's why mas focus po tayo sa pag-educate ng mga tao and consulting. Kaya po talaga, we make sure na lahat po ng visit dito makatry ng machines to help them, to educate them, and for them to have a consultation about what results they actually had. And actually in 2023, InBody is in the seminar for ESPEN, which is the European Society for Parenteral and Enteral Nutrition. It's international group po na pinagbabasehan po ng ating mga doctors and dietitians para po magbigay sila ng care for patients who are in the ICU. And mahalaga po si BIA for those patients in the ICU, especially po si BAA 2.0s, kasi kaya niya pong i-measure yung body composition even if the person is lying down. Key facts and figures about InBody. So, 2024 pa po kasi ito, but the annual sales in 2024 is 204 billion Korean won, an average annual growth rate of 17.5%, 10,000 scientific journal articles using InBody. Imagine 10,000 young minds, 10,000 researchers are using InBody for their papers. And then 108 patents and utility models. So, mamimake sure po talaga natin, since patented, walang kagaya, walang makakatapat. Kasi nag-iisa lang siya. It's number 1 in the world with 108 patents. Walang kagaya, InBody lang. Employees around the world, 1,100. Global businesses, 13 overseas subsidiaries, 100 exporting countries, and 81% export proportion. Ayan po yung ating figures ng ating sales. Kung papansin po natin, pataas lang po ng pataas, walang pababa. So, for our technology, so we use the bioelectrical impedance analysis. So, nabanggit na po natin siya kanina, but what really is bioelectrical impedance analysis? BIA is based on the fact that water, which makes up 50 to 70% of the human body, is a good conductor of electricity. Sabi po kanina Sir Joel, nararamdaman niya daw yung electricity. Pero, yun pong sinasan na bioelectrical electricity po, hindi po talaga siya nararamdaman sa katawan. May naramdaman po ba kayong kuryente kanina? Wala po, because it is a bioelectrical current na pinapass sa ating katawan. The BIA measures body water through the impedance or resistance to a small electric current passed through the body using the principle that the amount of electricity passing through the body varies with the amount of water. So what makes in-body technology different? Here are the 6 cores of technology of in-body. First is it globally recognized patent direct segmental measurement multi-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis or the DSM MFBIA. So ayan nga po yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung mga conventional BIA devices, cylindrical manner lang. Pero in-body utilizes the direct segment measurement, which helps us differentiate the measurement of our arms, torso, and legs. Ayan. There are multiple frequencies to provide precise analysis. Ayan po yung kanina ko na dinidiscuss na iba't iba po yung frequencies na dapat tumadaan sa ating katawan. And mabanggit ko lang po, we have the world's first 3 MHz high-frequency measurement technology which in-body has implemented in the 970, yung tinaray niyo po kanina, and the PAA 2.0. This did not only improve the accuracy of body moisture results for patients and athletes, but also reduces impedance measurement errors due to measurement posture and external environment. So, kahalagahan po ng frequency is sa pagtaas po ng frequency sa pag-accurate po ng measurement. And kaya po, mahalaga na may multiple frequencies since we utilize the direct segmental, iba-iba po. Ang arms po natin, hindi kasing laki ng trunk natin at ng legs natin. So, since segmental po siya, hindi po okay na pare-parehas yung frequency na dumadaloy sa katawan. Kasi iba-iba po ng measurement yan. Kaya po tayo merong multiple frequencies and we are the only one in the world to do that. And then we have the 8-point tactile electrode system that ensures greater reproducibility. Napansin niyo po kanina, dalawa po yung hahawakan. Yan po yung 8-point tactile natin, yung thumb, ang ating palm, and ang ating wrist, and yung heels po. Kaya po mahalaga na yung heels natin nakatapak po doon sa parang rectangular. Kasi po mahalaga po siya para po pantay yung electric currents na dumadaan sa ating katawan. Then, the measurement is not based on empirical estimates. Traditional BIA devices, kailangan pa po nila ng estimations using the age and the gender, and also the physical activity. Kasi po, para po ma-measure yung mga basal metabolic rate and the like. But, in-body technology measures our body as a whole, directly. Hindi na po kailangan ng mga bagong computations and mga empirical estimations para ma-measure talaga yung level sa katawan. But, they measure directly. Next is the multi-frequency reactance measurement for increased clinical use. Yung sabi ko nga po kanina, yung frequency. And age-specific body composition assessment based on the big data. Hawak niyo po ba yung mga results ninyo? Pwede po makahiram. If pumunta po tayo dito sa page, ito po yung pangatlo, yung evaluation. Makikita po natin dito yung results based on the big data. Kapag po tayo ay, ito po, para po siyang sa World Health Organization. Para po sa mga standards ng growth. Ito po kasi, naka-base po siya sa ating age and yung ating results. So, if ang resulta po natin, tayo po yung bilog, yung point. And then, ito pong average, yung may shaded part, yan po yung average level ng ating age group around the world. So, if we are below or if we are above, then we're not in the average level po. But if we're inside, then we're at the normal age, the average age. And yan po yung binibigay ni InBody para sa atin na insights. So, it is scientifically validated with 98% correlation with the golden standard. If may mga question po, accurate ba talaga yan? It is 98.9% accurate po according to the golden standard. Kasi po ang golden standard ni BIA devices is the DEXA. Yun kung gumagamit ng radiation pa, it's 98.9% correlated with the results of that. That is why, hindi na po natin maki-question pa, accurate ba yan? It is very accurate. So, the quality of InBody products, we conduct regular audits of medical device manufacturing facilities in accordance with the ISO 901, 2015 and ISO 13485, 2016. And, kung may magka-question, matibay ba yan? Baka mabilis siyang masira. InBody machines have 50,000 iterations of durability testing to anticipate everything that might happen in real-world use. 50,000 iterations of durability testing. 50,000 na po yun na sinubok yung durability niya. So that means it's really durable, matibay, hindi mabilis masisira. So, ayan po, 10,000 scientific journal articles using InBody, 10,000 great minds using our technology for their studies and researches na nakakatulong po sa pag-improve ng healthcare sa buong mundo. Ayan po ang ating products and solutions. We have the InBody Professional Body Composition Analyzer. We have the InBody 380 and InBody 270s, which are mostly used in fitness gyms. Si InBody 270s po kasi nakakapagbigay po siya ng insight ng ating muscle fat, hindi kagaya po ng ating results, but it also has a segmental fat analysis. And also, nakakapag-share din po siya ng calorie expenditure based on the physical activities being done by the person. And then InBody 580, yan po yung ating entry level for the clinical use and the higher end model for fitness. And our InBody 970 is our very own. Ginamit po natin kanina. Ayan po yung results natin. Nakita na po natin kanina. And ayan po yung marami pang results. Meron din po tayo nito except syempre sa children. Even children can test for this machine. So next is our body water analyzer. We have the InBody BAA 2.0s. Yan po yung ginagamit sa para sa mga hemodialysis centers. Kasi po, InBody BAA 2.0s can measure yung testing posture niya po, pwedeng nakaupo or pwedeng nakahiga. So, nakaka-measure din po siya ng total body water and body composition ng mga hemodialysis patients natin even before, during, and after hemodialysis. Because if you're familiar, if may kilala po kayo na nagda-dialysis, before po mag-dialysis, talagang titimbangin nila yung katawan nila. Then after dialysis, titimbangin ulit. Because the nurses needs to measure yung nabawas na total body water sa kanila by just subtracting that from the beginning weight and the after weight. But with the help of InBody BAA 2.0s, accurately na po siya na measure. Hindi na kailangang magtimbang-timbang pang muli. Kasi meron na po tayo. Yan po. BAA can be adapted for various test postures depending on the clinical environment in which it is used, and can also accurately measure body water in special patient groups such as amputees. Even the amputees po. Because it's very hard to measure the total body water of people who have amputated legs or anything amputated in their body. Kasi po, marami pa pong measurements, computations na kailangan gawin para lang po magawa yan. But with the help of BAA, upo na lang, hihiga na lang, and then results. Ayan po yung results niya. Meron din po tayo niyan dito sa second page po yung water, body water. Ganyan po siya. Same lang din po siya sa results ng ating 970s. Ayan po yung mga home use body composition scales and wearables natin. Other products pa po yan. The in-body kiosk, the health corner, stagiometers. Yan, yung in-body big data solutions, yung pinakita ko po kanina, yung evaluation part ng result. Then the in-body report, every year po, in-body releases a report about yung mga results po na mga nakukuha ng ating test. Nakikita po dyan yung prognosis ng mga tao, yun po, buong mundo po yan na results. Nire-release po yan every year para po magamit din ng ating mga researchers sa school para po makita talaga what's happening in the world during that time. Para po siyang sa World Health Organization or yung sa PSA Index po, pinapakita po yung pinaka-relevant na mga results. Kung sino po yung may pinaka-maraming sakit dito. Pero sa kanila po, yung effects of aging on swelling and examining the causes of edema. Gamit po yung ECW ratio na makikita rin po natin sa body water result. Next, the business area. We are proud to share na yung in-body customers po natin around the world in the medical field. We have the Mayo Clinic, Johns Hopkins Medicine, Boston Children's Hospital, Hospital European, Royal Free London, MD Anderson Cancer Center, the Philippine Heart Center in Quezon City, and the DOH Cordillera Administrative Region. Sila po so far yung meron po nito ating machines in the Philippines. There's BUMO. Yes, St. Luke's din po, we have that. And Saudi German, very international po talaga kasi po tayo ay worldwide. Then, yung application po niya sa medical fields, there's for anesthesiology, bariatrics, para po sa mga body weight, yung mga sobrang obese po talaga with 600 pounds na. Then, body composition assessment, cancer, cardiology, endocrinology, exercise physiology, gastroenterology, geriatrics, gynecology, and many, many more. Then, for the fitness and sports, we have F45 training, Anytime Fitness, if you're familiar with them. Kailangan po siya sa fitness and sports because in-body measures the muscle in the body fat. And yung mga nag-gym po, kailangan po talaga nilang bantayan yung muscle gains. And sa segmental lean analysis results po, nakikita po doon which part of their body is weaker. Halimbawa po sa results, mas mababa yung muscle level sa left leg than the right leg. Then sa fitness, mas tututukan po nila yon na mas pataasin si muscle level dito sa left leg. Kasi po kapag hindi pantay, mas mabilis pong ma-injury yung kabilang leg. Kaya po kailangan na mga fitness institutions ng in-body for that. Then sa sports, if you're familiar po sa mga teams na ito po ay soccer. Hindi po ganun ka-fan ng soccer, but ayan po. And then, Los Angeles Lakers, and even New York Knicks, ginagamit po yan. Kasi nga po yung sinabi ko kanina, yun pong segmental lean analysis para po maiwasan na ito pong mga atleta na ito ay ma-injure. Yes po. And then, sa government and military and enterprises po, United States Marine Corps, ginagamit po yan, United States Air Force, Long Beach, New York Police, even Google, Intel, Panasonic, Sony, eBay, Philips, LG, Samsung Engineering, Boeing, Dubai Police, Adidas, Honda, Pfizer, and Procter & Gamble, and even Walt Disney. Bakit po mahalaga siya sa ating mga government and military? Kasi po, kapag po yung mga police nila, yung kanilang mga army ay hindi nasa optimal health, hindi po yes po. Yes po, ayan po, marami po talaga. Kailangan pong ma-measure yun, yung katawan nila, para pong panatili na strong po yung personnel nila. And the academy, yung mga schools po, Ivy League schools, the Berkeley, Brown, Duke University, Columbia University, and many, many other academies in the world. uses InBody to make sure na yung students nila ay at optimal nutrition and health. And it's also used for research purposes. Gaya nga po na sabi ko kanina, ginagamit po siya. Meron po tayong 10,000 journal articles using InBody. And ito po ay mga med schools yung iba. Then for leisure and beauty, Hyatt, the Ritz-Carlton, Grand Resort, Jumeirah, Rotana, My Body, Ingrid Malay, Paris, Perfect You Aesthetic Clinic. So ginagamit po siya sa mga aesthetic clinics para po mas mabigyan ng maayos na treatment plan yung ating mga faces, yung ating body na ginagamit po ng ating aesthetic doctors. Then for nutrition and wellness, we have Amway, Nu Skin, Usana, 5-star nutrition, total nutrition.
Sana kumuha.
Yes, Herbalife and Orion Glow. Okay, that ends our presentation na po. I hope you liked and learned a lot from our presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you